Hi everybody, you are watching tutorials. My name is Alex, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create drop icon in Gravit Design. So very basic tutorial, and I'm gonna start it with a very basic shape. So click E on your keyboard or grab the Ellipse tool. Grab the Ellipse tool and hold Shift and Alt or Shift and Option on your Mac to draw a circle from the center. To introduce the ellipse, now select the fill and get rid of the fill, add a border, and let's increase the border weight to 10 pixels. Bring up the color picker and change the color to white. Now here's this small ellipse and I want to expand it, but before I want to make the duplicate with Ctrl D, Command D, or go into the edit, duplicate here. Okay, so with this duplicate on top, I want to go to modify, path, expand and shrink. It brings up the menu, set the negative value on this menu. It shrinks the object equally from each side. It creates the negative offset. If you are setting the positive value, it will extend the object. So I'm working with the positive 20 pixels because the size of my border is 10 pixels, so it's 5 from each side. It will be fairly enough to introduce this space between these two circles. Okay, click OK. Notice, let me delete this reference. Notice that the product of this expand shrink manipulation is the path, not the shape, and this is exactly what we need. Let me grab the subselect tool, click T on your keyboard, and notice we have the redundant points all around the outline of our object. What we need to do, keep it selected and simplify the path. So go to the modify path, simplify path, Ctrl Alt S or Command Option S on your Mac. Simplify path. I want to introduce the tolerance to increase the tolerance to around 40%. Click OK to make these changes. You see it's left us with only 4 points. I want to select the point on top, hold Shift and push it on the top like this. Then go to the joint and set a straight joint, something like this. Okay, that looks decent. We are ready to work with the smaller ellipse, so let me lock the path on this background and go to the ellipse. In order to create this segment on the bottom left, I need to set the angle value as this on the left text field to 70 like this, and then click open to open the appearance of this angle. And finally, I want to keep it selected, go to the advanced border options and introduce the round ends just like this, and we are ready to go. This is our drop icon in Gravit Design. I hope you enjoy these basic tutorials. If you do, give some bub, subscribe to my channel and share this tutorial with your friends. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day.